Smash burgers on the gas grill? You bet. Drop some onions down on there. Hit them with a little salt and pepper. Smash the heck out of them. A little more salt and pepper. Only takes a couple of minutes, not even a minute on a screaming hot grill. Flip that dude over. Cheese them up the way you like it. With pepper jack on one, a little American on the other. And even though you cheesed them right away, don't overcook your burgers to melt the cheese. It'll melt on its own just fine. Especially if you're stacking them up. Look at that right there. That looks absolutely beautiful. Here comes round two for me. Get some onions on there first. We'll put a little extra of them onions on there this time. A little salt and pepper. Smash-ola. Look at that big smash. Smash number two. Now go wait, we'll get that bun on there to toast up. Just a minute or so. Hit that flip. Get them onions to cooperate. I'm not wasting them onions, man. That's the best part. Don't burn your buns up. Look at that. Perfect. Yeah. Cheese them as soon as you flip. I don't think that whole process takes 5 minutes, if that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Absolute perfection on the Monument Eminence 605 with that griddle plate on it. Now that's what it's all about.